years in Europe when the wars between the Protestants and the Catholics was raging, here in Esfahan, Shah Abbas I allowed and aided various religious groups to practice their religion in peace. A huge majority of these people were the Armenians, who enjoyed a wide range of liberty, security, and relative independence. They built scores of prayer halls and churches in Esfahan, each manifesting a dazzling mix of elements from Christianity and Islam. The Bethlehem Church was built in 1628, and after 400 years, the pictures are still vivid and alive. After centuries, the Armenians are still holding their religious rituals just like other minorities. Isfahan Governor Alireza Zakir Esfahani told us more on this.
و شاهد مدعا این که ما امروز در این استان و به طور خاص در کلان شهر اصفهان اقوام و ملیت‌های مختلفی رو شاهدیم. شما توی بعضی از شهرستان‌های ما چندین گروه دینی رو می‌بینید، چندین گروه قومی رو مشاهده می‌کنید که خیلی راحت دارن اینها با هم زندگی می‌کنن.
The religious minorities are mostly scattered across Iran, but you can find certain neighborhoods which are dominated by the minorities. This is Jolfa neighborhood, the heart of the Armenian community in Esfahan. This place has a history of over 400 years.
مدارسمون هم داریم، دبیرا رو داریم، معلما رو داریم، البته مسلمان هم هستن.
Armenians have lived in Iran for the last 17 centuries. During this period, they have managed to preserve their religion as well as their language. The Armenian children, just like their parents, are fluent in their native tongue due to the many schools provided for them. The Wank Cathedral, otherwise known as the Church of the Holy Saviour, was one of the first churches to be established in Esfahan's Jolfa district by the Armenians. On the northern part of the courtyard, there's a museum built in the early 20th century which displays a variety of historical objects that refer to the social and cultural life of the Armenian people.
Բարեփոխտաբար Իսպանի այս նահանգի մեջ եւ ընդհանրապես Պարսկաստանի մեջ մեր համակոյակցությունը շատ կարեւոր է եւ Պարկասո սա արդեն իսկ դեղի է ունենում եւ այսօր ես հավատում եմ որ գրոններում միջև դարբերություն լինելով հանդերձ պետք է լինի փոխադարձ հարկանք.
The night has drawn in. And for the Armenians, tonight is a very special night. They have gathered here for a memorial ceremony. The ritual will continue well into the night. خدا لزگی for Iran.